You want some makeup, Nicholas?
No.
Chase Crawford. Chase Crawford. Who is that, Nick? Chase Crawford.
I don't know who that is. Bye
He's
bye.
hot.
Think of something funny. Do you have a dog at home?
Yes.
What's the dog's name?
Lady.
Lady. Is she cute?
Okay, we're doing
Photo shoot.
photo shooting for ipop.
Yeah. Get back on that chair.
Goodbye.
Older than that. Look, just looking at the picture.
I know. You wouldn't guess 16, but yeah. So that's what you have to try with younger too. There you go. That's a good, fabulous. Oh, keep turning. I can see your dimple that way, so go a little. There we go. We were talking about how important her dimples are. There we go. Do me a favor. Flick this hair all behind your shoulder. There you go. Perfect. Love it. Tell ya. Are you keeping away the boys from her door?
Yes.
Yeah.
You don't have like a certain boyfriend, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well, it depends on which week it is.
I
I have horror. Libby! There's no rain! Are you ready to go in? It's recording. How do I get up there? That's not climbing, that's pushing someone up in the tree. Oh my god. That does not count as climbing. What counts as climbing? Yeah. That was climbing. Oh my god. Soaking wet. Well, now let's watch the monkey. Oh, my camera's like getting wet. Hey, come right here. Right here is like really like not wet.
Oh my God, it's flying, it's flying.
Duh.
I wish we could get up here.
Down here.
When I first thought,
Ah! I was gonna
I
zoom
put
off.
the lens right here,
Uh-huh.
I made it so you could see out here like a window.
Tyler!
It's amazing.
And you're slippery. So, hold this.
Wow.
That's why it's getting wet in here now. Yeah, it's like so, it's like pouring. Huh? Hey guys, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Hi, Kelly. Still on my bracelet. As big as the other cattail.